How to speed up a video in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So there is no option to speed up a video from the iPhone Photos app itself, but you can use apps like CapCut, VN, or even iMovie. So I personally suggest CapCut. You can just download it from your app store, open it up, and then you need to go to the edit option in the bottom left and tap on new video. Now your gallery will open up, and then you can choose the video from your gallery that you want to speed up and hit add. You can choose more than one video. Now once you're there, just tap on the timeline, and then you need to scroll through the icons at the bottom. Just scroll to the left and you can see the speed option. Just tap on it and then go to normal, and then here you can see it is set to 1x, that is the default speed. Now if you want to increase it, you need to drag the circle through the slider to the right. So as you can see, you can just drag it. So as you keep on dragging, the speed will keep on increasing. So you can drag it to 100x. It will make the 1 minute video to only 0.6 seconds, as you can see the duration. And you can just hit export in the top right after you're done speeding up the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.